Okay, dear friends, we are going to learn today angle between the lines. Angle between the lines. Angle between the lines means, observe there, for example, here I am taking the two lines L1 and L2. This is the L1 and this is the L2 line, on whose P be the point on L1 and Q be the point on L2, and theta acute angle between these lines. Now, how we are going to measure means, if the drs of the L1 are A1, comma B1, comma C1, and drs of A2 is A2, comma B2, comma C2, then we are going to define this is the angle between the L1 and L2, nothing but this angle between OP bar and OQ bar, and these are the vectors along L1 and L2 whose drs are A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Hence what you are going to get, OP bar is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. Similarly, A1, B1, C1 and OQ bar is equal to A2I plus B2J plus C2K. Now, what is the angle between the, you have theta is acute angle, no? Therefore, cos theta is equal to OP bar dot OQ bar by modules of OP bar. Acute angle is given, that's why you have to go for the modules to take OP bar, and this is OQ bar. Now, if you are calculate that one OP bar dot OQ bar, what you are going to get here, OP bar is this one and OQ bar is this one. Therefore, what you are going to get, cos theta is equal to a OP bar dot, that is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by modules of OP bar, nothing but root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is the angle between the two lines is given in the space. Further, if you want to, these are some cases involved in this one. Now case 1, what I am taking the case 1 is, if the lines are given in the form of R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar, this is the 1, and R2 is equal to, R bar is equal to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar. Now, these are the two lines are given, and we are going to measure the angle between these two lines, nothing but angle between the parallel line, that is the line which is the vector which is parallel to given line. That means here the angle between these these two lines, nothing but angle between B1 comma B2, that is denoted by and defined by cos theta is equal to modules of B1 bar dot B2 bar into modules of B1 bar into modules of B2 bar. This is the angle between the lines is given by in the form of R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar form. Further, you can go for this one in the so many cases involved in this one. Next, case 2, if L1 comma L2 comma L3 are the drs, and that is L1 comma M1 comma N1 and L2 comma M2 comma N2 are the DCs of the lines, then how we are going to write? Now cos theta is equal to what you have? Cos theta is equal to A1 A2, no? That's why I am writing A1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square plus B1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into B2 by root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Now plus C1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into C2 by root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Now according to the definition of the DCs, what you are going to get, this one is, this is A by A1 by, that is nothing but L1, and this is L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, and this is acute angle, that's why this is module. Therefore cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Now if they are asked theta is acute angle, then find the sin theta they may ask. If they ask sin theta is equal to, what is the formula we have? Under root of 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. What is the cos theta? Just now we are derived A1 A2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square whole square. Now if you are taking this square and root gets cancelled, finally you are taking LCM, you are going to get this one is a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square minus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 whole square by square and root, that means here square and root gets cancelled, you are going to get this is in the denominator a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This complete root is there, but this square and root, these are roots are going to be gets cancelled. Further, if you solve this one, you are going to get this one as a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square plus b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square by a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is the formula for sin theta. If theta is acute angle, take the modules for this one. Okay. Further, if you want to write this can extended as the same thing, what you are going to get observed there, if you are extended a1 by root of a square, a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square is L1 square, no? Therefore, this is sin theta is equal to under root of L1 m2 minus L2 m1 whole square plus m1 n2 minus m2 n1 whole square plus n1 L2 minus L2 n1 whole square. You are going to get this formula. Okay. Further, from this one you have to remember that one, you are got that cos theta and sin theta. Sometimes they may ask if theta be the acute angle, then find the sin theta, means you can use this formula. Otherwise, go for the find the cos theta and use simply you can find the sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta. Directly you can find by using that one, also need not go for this formula if you are feel lengthy. Further, another case is if these are the acute angle. Now, if this is the theta is equal to 90, then what you can write, theta is equal to 90 means cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, if you are substituted in that formula, you are going to get a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 is equal to 0. Further, you are going to get L1 m1 L1 here. Sorry, this one you are going to get a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. You are going to get. Further, you can write this one as L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2 is equal to 0. You are going to get. These are the two formulas if they are perpendicular. If they are parallel means theta is equal to 0. Then cos theta is equal to what you are going to get 1. Otherwise, sin theta, sin 0 is equal to 0. By using this formula, you are going to get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, these are the some conditions to be remembered to find whether they are parallel or perpendicular. And here another one is if the lines are given in the form of x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1 and x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. That means here directly these are the drs, no? You can use the formula directly. Cos theta is equal to modules of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. You can use this formula and you can determine the angle between the whatever given line. And observe some examples. Here first find the angle between, he may give one line r bar is equal to is given as 3i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into I plus 2j plus 3k. Now, and r bar is equal to another line is given as 5i minus 2j plus mu into 3i plus 2j plus 6k they are given. That means we are not matter about the points which passing through the lines. That means we should identify that lines which parallel to the vector. Now what is that one? By comparing this one you are going to get b1. This is the b1. b1 nothing but I plus 2j plus 2k. I plus 2j plus 2k, and b2 bar nothing but 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Now here you got the two vectors. Now find the modules of b1 bar. Modules of b1 bar, what you are going to get? Root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, that is nothing but root 9, nothing but 3. And another one is the modules of b2 bar. b2 bar is the root of 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square, 36 plus 4, 40 plus 9, 49, root of 49, that is nothing but 7. Further you have to find the b1 bar dot b2 bar. b1 dot b2 nothing but coefficients 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 6. Then what you got? Observe there, 3 plus 4 plus 12, that is nothing but 19. Now what you have? Cos theta is equal modules of b1 dot b2 by modules of b1 bar into b2 bar. Now what you are going to get? This one is nothing but modules of 19 by 3 into 7. Therefore cos theta is equal to 19 by 21. That implies theta is equal to cos inverse of 19 by 21. This is the angle between the required lines. Now if we given the lines like that, x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 1 by 5 is equal to z plus 3 by 4, and x plus 1 by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 5 by 2 is given. Two lines, find the angle between them. Now what do we have to find? We have to compare with x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Means clearly what you are going to get? Clearly drs of the lines are 3, 5, 4 and 1, 1 to y, 3, 5, 4 and 1, 1, 2. This is nothing but a1, b1, c1. This is nothing but a2, b2, c2. And we have the formula. What is the formula you have? Cos theta is equal to under root of this one. Cos theta is equal to modules of a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Then what you are going to get? Cos theta is equal to a1 a2, that is 3 into 1 plus b1 b2, 5 into 1 plus 4 into 2 by root of 3 square plus 5 square plus 4 square into root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. That is nothing but you are going to get 3 plus 5 plus 8 by root of this one. You are going to get 25 plus 25, 50, root 50 into root 6. This is nothing but root, what you are going to get? 16 by root of 300, otherwise you have to separate that one. In here, what is the perfect root in this one? You are going to get, observe there, 100 threes. Therefore this is you are going to get 16 by 10 root 3. This is 2 5s, 2 8s, and rationalize with root 3 and root 3. Finally what you are going to get? Observe there, cos theta is equal to 8 root 3 by here root 3 into root 3, 3 5s, 15. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 8 root 3 by 15. This is the required angle. Okay, solve like this. So many problems are there, and another one problem in this one, by using the same condition, whatever the note 1 2 3 we are written, by using that one we can find another problem. One is, if the lines 1 minus x by 3 is equal to 7y minus 14 by 2p is equal to z minus 3 by 2, 7 minus 7x by 3p is equal to y minus 5 by 1 is equal to 6 minus z by 5 are perpendicular to each other, then find value of p will ask. Okay, before this one more question. Usually one question is used to ask this type of question only. I will write one question and solve, then you can go for this one. Find the DCs or find the DRs of the line. You will give like this, 1 minus x by 3 is equal to 7x minus 14 by 2 is equal to 3 minus 2z by 4 is given, for example. 3 minus 2z by 4 is given and asked to find the DRs. Usually people are going to write answer is 3, 2, 4, which is wrong answer. Why? Because it should be in the form of x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. That means here what is there? 1 minus x is there. That's why multiply with minus, you are going to get x minus 1 by minus 3, multiplying both numerator and denominator. And this one is a 7y minus is there. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y and coefficient of z should be 1. Here coefficient of y is 7 is there. That's why divide with 7. Then you are going to get y minus 2 by 2 by 7, dividing the both numerator and denominator with 7. And here also dividing the numerator and denominator with minus 2. Then you are going to get z minus 3 by 2 by minus 2 you got. Now drs. What are the drs? Now drs of the given line is minus 3, 2 by 7, comma, minus 2. Remember this one. Directly don't write 3, 2, 4, which is wrong answer. Similarly, come back to this problem. Here also what you have to do? Here we have to write the both problems in the standard form. This one you should multiply with the minus. If you are multiply with the minus, x minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to, and divide with the 7, then you are going to get y minus 2 by 2p by 7, and here z minus 3 by 2 as it is. Okay, therefore what are the drs here? Minus 3 comma 2p by 7 and comma 2. Further 7 minus 7x, no, divide with minus 7, therefore x minus 1 by minus 3p by 7 and is equal to y minus 1 by 5, and divide with minus z minus 6 by minus 5. Now what are the drs you got here now? Here you got the drs are minus 3p by 7 and 1, that is y minus 5 by 1, no, this is y minus 5 by 1, and this is the 1 and this is minus 5. Now this is the a1, b1, c1, and this is the a2, b2, c2. Now if the lines are perpendicular, then what do you do? Derive the condition a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 0. Now what is the a1? Observe there, 3 into minus 3 into minus 3p by 7 plus b1, b2, 2p by 7 into 1 and plus c1, c2, 2 into minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore you are going to get 9p by 7 plus 2p by 7 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then this is 11p by 7 is equal to minus 10 become plus 10. 11p is equal to 70. P is equal to 70 by 11. This type of problems may ask for 2 marks or 3 marks type of questions. Okay.